it's me, Gatak, and today we are outside in our new house's corridor. And we got a spade and a pot to plant a basil plant. So we only need to get the soil and even a tulsi seed which we have. So let's go. Okay, you must be wondering how will I get the tulsi seeds. There are some tulsi plants down there, so we can get it from there. And also there's the soil which we need. So safety first. We need our mask which we got and even a hand sanitizer after holding the tulsi plant. We got everything, so let's go. Alright, let's wear our shoes real quick. Okay, let's go to the elevator. Waiting. Okay, the lift came finally. Let's go in. 1 minus it is. I can't help it. I touched the button. We better sanitize our hands right now. Oh, we came. I'm so excited for my tulsi plant. We are outside now. Let's go and get those seeds and soil quickly. I have soil here. I just need to fill this pot using the spade. Not a big deal, right? So by the way, do you guys know why I want to plant a tulsi plant particularly? Because it's the corona season and it's a very good immunity booster. Kada! Does that word horrify you? Well, it does horrify me when my mom asked me to drink that very bitter drink. But still, it's a very good immune booster in the corona times, and the tulsi leaf is one of the ingredients. That's why I plan to plant one myself. We got sand. Now let's hunt for some seeds. Whose car is this? Why they park randomly? Now where is that big tulsi plant? I found the plant. Now we just need to take the seeds. I'll put my pot here for some time. Check out. Tulsi plant is here. Dog is behind. So let's make it fast and concentrate on our work. These are the tulsi seeds. Can you see these brown ones? Now, I want to remind you again and again about why these tulsi seeds are very helpful. Now, not only they are good immune booster, they are also good for our heart, skin and hair. It also reduces stress. More and more and more, just in case. We got the seeds, we got the soil, let's do some planting. I should be very careful because seeds are in my hand. I might drop the seeds, that's why I put it on top of the pot. So here we got all of our things. We got the tulsi seeds, we got the soil, and we got our water and even the spade. So how you need to do it is you need to take this and try and make a hole like this, keep it down and cover it. Don't need to keep it deep down because it'll take a while for roots to come out. So after you do this, you need to do the rest of the others, and we'll see you after a while, after we finish all of these things. Oops, my mom is saying that we need to remove all of these things from the stems, so I'll do that now. While we were getting these things from outside, I got some of these things. So yeah. The wrong things I have did, my mom has took it out and made it like that. So we need to press it like this and bury it deep. I mean not deep as such, like a little down. we need to remove some of these stones and then we can water it. Because you know that sometimes mud has some stones hidden. A lot of them. Now after we do that, let's water it for a while. We are watering. That's quite enough. There. Now let's speed it over. There. So we watered our plants, we removed the stones, we planted it in. So we need to keep it over there somewhere, and also we need to water it like a practice in every morning and evening. Yes. I'm keeping it in my balcony over here. In the corner over there. So every morning I'll take this cup and water it. I'll throw this water, throw. I mean, I just love playing with water. I better not throw it on that house. Imagine if she found water there, that would be horrible. So guys, this is just for starters. I even have plans to make other stuff such as curry leaves or coriander or even aloe vera. So we can make more videos if I have time. So stay tuned. I'll catch you up in another video.